Today we can look about Onam history and Onasadhya. The Mahabali emperor was demon king mentioned in Hindu mythology. He is also known as Mahavir. He was the grandson of Pragaladan and the son of Virasanan. The story of the Balichakravarti, who was born in the monster clan, is located in Vamana Purana. The Mahabali emperor was an ardent devotee of Vishnu, yet he belongs to the monster clan. He once planned to make a sacrifice to conquer the world, and the emperor performed in royal sacrifice. The kings, chief Rajas and Maharajas of all tribal races and kingdom of the world all gathered to pay special homage to the Emperor Mahabali. As a part of the ceremony, Emperor Mahabali announced that he would give whatever anyone asked him. It was at the time Vamana Vishnu, disguised as a poor Brahmin, came there asking for 3 feet of land to build a Brahmin education center in the Asura capital. Asura Guru leader Sukracharya, without being stopped by the reference, not wanting to back down from his vow, Mahabali allowed the Deva Brahmins to teach their religions in Asuratalainagar. Vamana incarnation is the 5th incarnation of the Lord Vishnu, which Vaishnavism considered to be the absolute deity. Incarnation means the Lord being born into this world in human or some other form. Its purpose is to establish the quality. In this incarnation, he was born in a Brahmin clan in Kerala. He was a dwarf figure. He is also known as Upendra. Mahabali took the form of Lord Trivikrama and measured the sky with 1 foot and the earth with another foot and asked where to place the 3rd floor. Mahabali put his head on Bhagavan's leg and put it his head to get rid to his arrogance, and then made him the king of the underworld. Mahabali asked Vamana to allow him to visit the people of his country every year, and Mahavishnu gave that boon to Mahavali. Thus, Onam is celebrated all over Kerala every year on the day when the Mahabali emperor visits his countrymen every year. The Onam festival is celebrated with much pomp and ceremony at the Katkarayan temple, the place where the Mahabali Mashikar took the place. Katkarayan temple is the Vaishnava temple located in Thirukatkarai in the Kerala Ernakulam district. It is one of the 108 divinities, the most important Vaishnava temple in Vaishnavaism. It is one of the few temples dedicated to the Vamana Murti, one of the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. The temple is located in the circular Kerala style. The temple is said to have been built by the Parasurama. Onasadhya. A special dish will be prepared ahead of the Onam festival. The proverb Kanam Vittum Onam Unnanam, that is, if you sow property like paddy, you should eat Onam Sadhya, speaks of the speciality of the food called Onasadhya. There are 64 types of food called Onasadhya, which is prepared in 6 flavors beside bitterness. Fresh rice flour made with adai, aviyal, adapradaman, milk payasam, lentils, ghee, sambar, kalan, volan, rasam, மோர், தோரன், சக்கப்புரட்டி, குறுக்கு காளான், கூட்டு, கிச்சடி, பச்சடி, இஞ்சி புளி, எரிசேரி, மத்த நெல்லிசேரி, புளிசேரி, பப்படம், dried fried, சீடை, சக்கரவெட்டுப்பேரி, pickles, banana chips are prepared and made for God. Coconut and yogurt play a major role in most food. Inji curry and inji puli made from ginger are taken with food, make the food easier to digest. The dishes are served on specific places on the banana leaf in specific order. The most common ingredients in all the dishes are rice, vegetables, coconut, and coconut oil, as they are abundant in Kerala. Coconut milk is used in some dishes, and coconut oil is used for frying and also an ingredient in others. There are variation in the menu depending on the place and religions. Some communities, especially those in the northern part of the Kerala, included non-vegetarian dishes in Sadhya. Although custom was to use traditional and seasonal vegetables indigenous to Kerala, it has become common practice to include vegetables such as carrot, pineapple, beans in the dishes. Tradition has it that onion and garlic are not typically used in Sadhya. Conventionally, the meal may be followed by vettila murukan, chewing of battle leaf with lime and arsenate. This helps digestion of the meals and also cleanness the palate. Adapradaman. Pradaman is a sweet dish in the form of thick liquid. Similarly, a payasam, but with the more variety in terms of the gradient and more elaborately made. It is made with white sugar and jaggery, to which coconut milk is added. The main difference between Pradaman and the payasam is that the former uses the coconut milk, while the liquid version of the payasam uses cow milk. Some Pradamans. Palada Pradaman is made for flakes of cooked rice, milk, and sugar. Palapradaman is made of cooked Nendran, plantain, or banana in jaggery and coconut milk. Kodambu Pradaman is made of broken wheat. Parippu Pradaman is made of green gram. Chakka Pradaman is made of jackfruit. Kadala Pradaman is made from black grapes. Happy Onam!